Congratulations for purchasing CARCAT Ultrasound Rat Repellent for your automobile. Installing CARCAT and CARCAT-DUO is really easy. Unbox to find the following: CARCAT device, installation manual, 4 cable ties, and 4 mounting screws. Installation steps. 1. In case of an existing rat problem, clean and remove any traces of urine or feces in the engine cavity. This is how rats mark their territory and feel at home. A diesel wash would be ideal. 2. Test your new device before mounting. Touch the positive terminal of device against the positive of battery and negative terminal of device against the negative of battery. A. You should hear a boot up tune for a few seconds. B. LED blinking. Red LED will blink through front grille and white LED will flash and strobe in case of CARCAT-DUO. A faint audible beep after every 30 seconds. 3. Find a suitable place to mount your new CARCAT device. Do a mock layout keeping in mind: A. Proximity to the battery, power terminals. B. Rigid metal or plastic surface to mount CARCAT. Mounting on hard surface ensures ultrasound travels through the body of the car also. This ensures rat will feel the vibrations through its feet too. C. Enough room to mount the device. D. At least 10 centimeters of space in front of the front grille of device. E. If the device is CARCAT-DUO, choose a location from where the strobe LED light can cover the most possible area. 4. Mounting. A. Mount drilling holes. Drill holes, at least 2 diagonally, using a drill machine to affix the device. B. In case your car is still under warranty restrictions, mount the device using the cable ties. A bigger cable tie may be required depending on the mounting place. Never use double-sided tapes to mount or keep the device hanging. It will drastically reduce the effectiveness of device. 5. Connecting device to battery. A. Remove the fuse by opening the cap of the fuse holder and pull it out. It is located on the device positive, red wire. B. Loosen and remove the hex nut on the negative battery terminal, the one which is connected to the body of the car. C. Insert the loop lug of the negative terminal of the device, black wire. D. Follow steps B and C for the positive terminal. E. Reattach the fuse and close the cap properly. You should hear the boot up tune and see the blink and flashing LED if the connections are fine. 6. Tidy up the harness. Use the cable ties provided to clamp up the wire harness to chassis or suitable mounts or other cables. That's it. You are done. Enjoy your rat-free car.